Did the Home button suddenly disappear from your Google Chrome toolbar? Don't worry. This is usually just a small setting that got turned off, and you can bring it back in less than a minute. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots. From the menu, tap on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look on the left side and open the Appearance section. Here, you should see an option called Show Home button. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. And just like that, the home icon will instantly appear again near the address bar. You can also customize what happens when you click the Home button. For example, you can set it to open a specific website like YouTube instead of the default Chrome homepage. Just enter the web address you want, and Chrome will open that page every time you press the Home icon. There's also another quick way to enable it. Right-click near the toolbar area, choose Customize Toolbar, if available on your version. Then look for the Home button option and turn it on from there. And that's it. Your Chrome Home button is back and ready to use again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Chrome and Windows tips. See you in the next video.